Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss an example for equation and inequalities. Solve the equation where we have x to the power 6 multiplied with exponent, we have the negative 4 ln x, which is equals to 2x plus with the 15. So kindly focus on this part. Apply the law of log. So where we have x to the power 6 exponent, we have the ln x to the power of negative 4, which is equals to 2x plus with the 15. Continue. Focus on this part. If we simplify, so we have x to the power 6 multiplied with x to the power negative 4, which is equals to 2x plus with the 15. So we have the indices rule, where we have x squared minus the 2x minus the 15 equals to 0. Kindly factorize the situation. So we have x is equals to 5, x is equals to negative 3. So kindly check the situation by using this equation. So notice that we have the negative 3. So ln the value of x. If we substitute negative 3, the situation will be invalid. So the situation will be valid when x is equal to 5. So for the B, solve the inequalities. So in here we have the situation 2 over x plus 1 bracket square. Rearrange the situation where we have minus 1 over x plus 1 greater equals to 0. Kindly equate the denominator. So notice that in here we have x plus 1 bracket square. Here we have x plus 1. So in here what we have to do is to multiply 1 over x plus 1 with x plus 1. Then we will have 2 minus the x minus the 1 over, we have x plus 1 bracket square greater equals to 0. Simplify the situation, we have 1 minus x over x plus 1 bracket square greater equals to 0. So now we already have the simplest form, which is the positive. So kindly split the situation and assume always positive. 1 minus x greater equals to 0. So where we have x is less than equals to 1. Continue. X plus 1 greater than 0 cannot equal to 0 because x plus 1 is from the denominator. So x greater than negative 1. Repeat for the second time. X plus 1 greater than 0. So x greater than negative 1. Can we illustrate the situation in a real number line? We have the negative 1. We have the 1. So open towards the right. Open for the second time towards the right. Then circle towards the left. So here we have the negative, negative, negative. So in here we have the positive, positive, and the negative. Focus on this part. They mentioned that they need the positive side. So here will be our answer. So negative infinity until negative 1. Where the negative 1 is not included, union start from the negative 1 until the 1. Where the negative 1 is not included. So that is what we call the interval form. For the set notation, x such that x is less than negative 1 or x is greater than negative 1 and less than equals to 1. So that is the set notation form. Next, for the C. So kindly rearrange the situation where we have 4 over the modulus 2x minus 1. Then we have less than equals to 1. Next, cross multiply the situation. So we have 4. Then we have 2x minus 1 with the modulus. Then do remember, there is a restriction. 2x minus 1 cannot be equals to 0. So x cannot be equals to 1 over 2 because it is a denominator. Rewrite the situation. So we have the 2x minus 1 with the modulus greater equals to 4. Square both sides. So if we square both sides, and we will have 2x minus 1 bracket square greater equals to 16. So we have 4x squared minus 4x plus with the 1 minus the 16 greater equals to 0. So 4x squared minus 4x minus the 15 greater equals to 0. So after we factorize, we will have 2x minus 5. 2x plus with the 3 greater equals to 0. So notice that we're already in the simplest form. So next, split the situation. Do remember, assume always positive. So we have x greater equals to 5 over 2. X greater equals to negative 3 over 2. Kindly illustrate the situation in a real number line. And we have the negative 3 over 2, the 5 over 2, then remember the location of 1 over 2. Next, represent the situation. We have then circle towards the right, then circle towards the right. So in here we have the negative, negative, negative. So answer positive, negative, positive. Focus on this part. We want the positive side. So the answer will be negative infinity until negative 3 over 2. Union, start from 5 over 2 until infinity. So here we have the situation for interval form. If we express in the set notation or the solution set, we have x such that we have x less than equals to negative 3 over 2. Or we have x greater than equals to 5 over 2. So that is a solution set or set notation.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.